Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easy a future Gohan. So this is the newest easy a of this unit. So in case you do not have yet summoned or get shoved by this guy over here, Super Saiyan feature, just you can try easy a this one. So this one is already solid before easy a, but because of the power creep today, this guy urgently need usable again in this current event. Let's tap this start button, tap the event, and let's get to the easy A or Z battle arena. This guy, heroic warrior Gohan future. Let's tap the information first, the details. Well, this Gohan future is his weakness is extreme uh, PHY type or physics type character because he is the intelligent one. So for you who are the beginner playing this game or newbie for this in this game, you have to learn about the type weakness. And also this guy is can be a weakness to androids character, and this guy is very great after easy A. You can see the difference in here. Max levels 140 and max support attack level 15 for you who are newbie or the beginner. So give it a try, battle this easy A. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. Enjoy the game.